Bye, Justin. Night. Food, not for me, Glenn. For who? For who? Maybe the other Filipina kuan, they don't want to kanang go here because the number one problem is sometimes the internet is kanang bad, and then they kanang always raining here, and if the rain is very heavy and strong, then they will get kanang kuan flood because I'm a near and a river. I near a river, so not possible to have a guest there. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. How much is the floor space at Hotel Ate Ellen for a farm? Hotel for a farm. You know what, MM? If kana ang F million kana ang kuan, million already kuan man sleep in my house. Yeah. How 10 balot per night. Oh, 10 balot per night. Does it flood a lot there, Ellen? Yes, Del Murphy. When they have a kanang kuan, when they have a kanang typhoon, there was a kanang a flood here. A lot of flood. That's why if kanang the flood is very kuan na gyud, very big, then it's dangerous. Yeah. Who has space to house a Filipina? I don't know. Maybe in the Dumlog when kanang it's kanang done, because in the kanang kuan in the Laika's apartment is kanang kuan sa small. Maybe 4 person, but they can already 2 person na. 4 person. Does the flood go higher than your floor? No. No, Glenn, not good. Yeah. Yes, Dumlog sure, but I mean soon. Yeah, and soon when the Dumlog is done, maybe they have kanang kuan na big space there. But now we have a small space. And in the phone kanang you can kanang low kanang big space, but in the personal it's very kuan, very short space. Nobody in Toledo has a spare bed. I don't know.